Any eka sembi na ma me mo kakra na menka we na fe memfa Harry.
This tragedy are only natural and important. And I want to assure the families and the nation that the Ghana Armed Forces has initiated a full and transparent investigation into the circumstances of this crash. An investigative board of inquiry has been set up to investigate the cause of the crash. The flight data and cockpit voice recorders have both been retrieved. All 8 of the bodies of our departed comrades have been retrieved, and the government is in close touch. The Ghana Armed Forces has initiated a full and transparent investigation into the circumstances of this crash.
Right, Mampeni SCC Enrishimu Ashase, which the Ghana Armed Forces lead the investigation. But my plea to the president, Yemfa an independent investigation body team encounter. I think that teams on the field cannot be their own referee. Though they may have the skill, the intelligence, they have the forensic, whatever it is. But Omwa AC Akan Wago Kensi Muno. Omu entimi nkura whistle enye referee. Because we think that right from the on-go no set off no SC process no baako mienu miensa baby and sakra no mbetu preparation ahodo no my course nyina no through the process ni nyina no etwa say enhwehwemu bi koso. To my opinion, I think that not only the Ghana Armed Forces and carry on the investigation, but we should get an independent investigative body to investigate this matter. Very, very much important. Saying here said to say the bodies equal South Africa, no matter forensic whatever. Here see it even some other partners be ebe with sophisticated equipment. It me the investigation you could see. I think it's very necessary we involve, and I will call on say add on an independent investigative body not only the Ghana Armed Forces, so that you be who the wrongs, the rights, and then those that we need to fix ebe back clear. Because no maybe we honoma eyewa wudiemu a na sebe o da na disa ampa eyewo no wayo no bia na ayedene ebia I use na ayedene so be kasa ebia na nke se odi we sha no wa amfa anhye na we be blame who on the other hand no say yenya binom nka ho aye independent body to help in the investigation. That's my plea to the president. Thank you. Harry?
Yeah,
Mia, Mike.